Hello, welcome. Today again we are going to discuss about past question papers, and today I have taken here uh, 2081 BS pre-qualifying SC examination question of computer science. So let's start discussion from here. As you can see on the screen, it was asked in 2081 BS, yes, and by the PABSON, that is Kathmandu PABSON. That was before the send off, that's for pre-qualifying examination. Okay, let's have a talk on this. So first is very short answer question in one sentence we have to give. Listening to examples of unguided media. So whenever there is unguided, then it means we have to talk about that wireless media we use for the data transmission. So unguided means wireless and guided means wired. Yes, and unguided example is there. Now what can be the example? Satellite, microwave, Bluetooth, uh, infrared. So these are the channels. Write any one disadvantage of social media. So what can be there are many disadvantages. We are asked to write only one. So one disadvantage is the misuse of information. Uh, uh, is in the very high usage that uh, misuse of information of particular person, organization. It is in great amount that anybody can do it. So that is the disadvantage. What is the purpose of table in database? So table of database is used to store information in rows and columns. What data type is used to store images? Obviously that is called OLE. Yes, OLE, it is a data type and that provides us to store images. What is the use of EUF? EUF in function, or which is the QBASIC must we use them. EUF is distance for in the file and it simply says that whether the record is lost or not, indeed or not. What is the function of scanf? Scanf it is used to get the input, and the printf it is used to print the output. Write the technical term for the following statements. Um, Device is to connect a PC with a telephone line, and obviously that is modem. Law that covers the legal issues in cyberspace. So that is uh, cyber law. So next we have here third number. Full form we are asked to write the TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and the IP stands for Internet Protocol. BIT stands for binary digits. Okay. Now next we have uh, 2 mark questions where we have to write a little bit lengthy answer. What is network topology? Write down the advantage of bus topology. So network topology simply say that it is a layout of connected computers in networking environment. Yes. And what are the advantages of bus topology? So bus topology, it is easy to set up. It does not use lengthy cables, more cables, and cost is also low. It is used in small networks where the many devices are not used or the connected. Next is there what is computer ethics? Write any rule commandment of ethics. Computer ethics simply say that these are the moral principles we apply while using the computers, and two commandments can be there. Don't use the computer to steal the informations. Don't use the computer uh, to snoop around the other computers files. So next is a biometric. What is the biometric verification? Biometric verification So it is the process uh, of storing the data uh, issue that for the security reasons the data can be related to the uh, uh, physical part of our body. The physical part means maybe the a fingerprint, maybe the palm, maybe the face, maybe the eye. So if we use these all the parts to store our data for the identity in the computer, uh, and if it is for the later use, then that becomes a biometric verification. So mostly it is used by the embassies and some other organizations. Next is a differentiate between the traditional commerce and the e-commerce. When we talk about the traditional commerce, uh, it is time consuming task to buy and sell. Whereas e-commerce, it don't take more time. We can upload our product and this instantly we may get the responses. Traditional e-commerce, uh, when you talk about the reach of the audiences, customers, it is slow and the low. Whereas when you talk about the e-commerce, then it is high and fast. Next is define cloud computing. Name any two services of it. So when you talk about the cloud computing, cloud simply says that services we are getting on internet. So that is called cloud computing. It's all the computing services if we are getting on internet, like the infrastructure, like the platform applications, then that is cloud computing. What are the two services? Two services can be the infrastructure. We can get that is called IaaS. Next is a platform as a service that also can be achieved using this. Next is what is DBMS? DBMS system for database management system. Simply we can say it's a software which is used to manage the users as well as the data of our organization. Examples can be MS Access, Oracle, SQL, MySQL, etc. What is data sorting? Data sorting, it simply says that store the data in particular order such that we can find the particular data easily, and this sorting either we can do in ascending or the descending order, and the sorted data is easy to find and easy to use that handle. Next is a query. What is query? List the different types of query. So query, when you talk about the query, it is an object in MS Access, and this is used to um, get the information from the database, that is tables. Next is what are the types? There are two types of query: select query and the action. Under action, we have further update, delete, append, make table, etc. Next is a list any two major differences between forms and reports. So what are the major differences between forms and reports? When you talk about the form, it is used for entering data. Report, it is used to present the data. Form, actually it provides a better interface to the user to see the data, to edit the data, and that is called GUI. Whereas report, it is used to print the data and to summarize the informations. So these all were the discussions about the questions. I hope you also saw this one. Now we are going to talk about here, that is output of given program showing the try run table carrying 2 marks. So let's go for it. We have to show the table. Let's go for it. Yes. Yes. Now let's copy this program. Let's make table here. Obviously, there are two parameters being passed here, A and B. So A, then B. So A is here first, 17. B is here, 7. Yes. Next is here finding remainder R. So R equals to A mod B. So A mod B. So it gives here A is 17, mod B is 7, gives it gives remainder. Yes. So remainder is 3. Next is there R equals to R mod 2. Mod 2. So R mod 2 we get here 3 mod 2. So and that gives us 1. Yes, not 0. So if it is not 0, then we get the else part. Else part is a C. C equals to R mod 6 plus 30. So it gives us so R mod 1 mod 6 plus 30 is equals to 31. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, R equals to A mod B. A mod B, that is 3. Yes, find there. So is R mod 2 equals to 0? If it is 0, R mod 2, R is 3, so it is not 0, so that is else part. It is else part here. So else it gives us uh, 1, so it is no. So no means else part is going to run here. So else part is R equals to C equals to, so here is C equals to R. R is 3. R is 3 here. So 3 mod 6, that is again 3. So it becomes 33. Yes, yes. So that is no, else part is going to run there because it is not 0. So else part is here. C equals to R mod 6 plus 15. It is not 30. It is 15 here. It is 15. So again it is 15. So it becomes here 18. Okay. So next time it becomes D equals to C by 5. So D equals to C by 5. So it becomes here C is 18. So 18 by 5. It gives us 3. Only integer part here. Yes. And that 3 is stored in this D. No, out. That is a name of function here. So that is stored in out. That is name of function. So that's all. So it means we are going to get there 3. So 3 is the output. Okay. So 3 is the output here. That's all. To understand it clearly, let's see again. So A and B, so 17 and 7. So R equals to A mod B. Yes, 17. 17 mod 7. It gives us 3 as a remainder. That's all. Now next part is here. Next part is here. Uh, so we get R. So this part we are getting here. Let's put comment here. It is giving us 3. Yes, 3. Now R mod 2. So that is not 0. So that is not 0. It is not going to execute. This is going to execute. Yes, R mod 6 plus 15. So C equals to is R mod 2? No. No means it is going to work there. R mod 6 plus 15. So what is value of R? That is 3. Yes, 3 mod 6 plus 15. So 3 mod 6, it gives us 3. 3 plus 15, 18. And after that what happens? D equals to C by 5. So this means we get the integer part only. So what is the value of C? That is 18. 18 divided by 5, it gives us 3. So what is the value of uh, D? What is the value of D? That is 3. And this D is stored in the function name, that is out. So we get here 3. Okay, now let's run same program using the compiler. Let's save it. Let's run it. So look here, it is going, it is showing same output 3. Okay, now let's go for next question. Next question is there. Read the following program correct in the box. Let's analyze this. Question is telling us that to store name as essentially in a sequential data file rec.dat. So we are asking to store data in this rec.dat. So this is the first mistake. So it should be same name as the rec.dat. We are asked to store. So output this is fine there. Name it is fine. It is fine there. So everything looks fine there. Next is this one. Whenever we give our choice that we want to store further, then it must be a string. So this is the second loop while you case. So it should contain the dollar sign. Yes, and here is the channel number. Channel number is missing there. So this is also mistake. So how many mistake we found there? One mistake, second mistake, third mistake, and the fourth mistake. Next is there analytical program to find the to give the answer. Let's go for it. So 7 number question, it is telling us that here is a program and we are asked to write the answer. What is the meaning of mode? So mode gives us the remainder. Yes, when n is divided by j, it gives us the remainder. How many times the loop executes in the above program? So since n is getting value 10, so loop runs 10 times. Yes, loop runs 10 times means obviously it goes for the 10 times. 10 times. Yeah. So these all are the calculations we can do very easily. Now let's go for the 9 number. 9 number is there. Write a program gives allow user to enter radius of a circle, create a user-defined function in function to find area of circle, and sum to find volume of cylinder. So let's go for it. For sub procedure we have to use sub in sub to volume of cylinder. So volume, next is here area. Now we are asked to find the area of circle and the volume of cylinder. Yes, so first formula is missing here. And now formula for the volume of cylinder is pi r square s. So what we have to do here, we have to pass r and the s, and the area we are also asked to find the area of circle, that is pi r square. Yes, so only we need the r input, enter radius and height. Let's call the sub procedure. So that's all, nothing more we have to do there. We are asked to find the volume and the area. So area is pi r square circle, uh, and the volume is pi r square h in function to area of circle in function to area. So area we are studying this function procedure area. So pi r square, r is supplied from here, and next is volume of cylinder. So that is using sub procedure. So what we are doing there, we are passing two arguments here, r and h. So r is here pi r square h 3.14 r into h. Rn as values are supplied from here main module using the input. So that's all. Let's save it. Let's run it. So 23, 43, enter. So look here, we have got the output. Let's go for the next program. Write a program, open the new data file, new.dat, which may contain name, address, phone number, and salary. The program should allow you to add few records on it. So let's go for it. Let's write now B number 9B. What is the name of file? New.dat. So that's all. Nothing more we have to do here. Yes. So it's very simple program. We can write very easily. So nothing more we have to do here. So this was 9 number B. Now let's go for the 10 number. 10 number says that write a C program to check whether the supplied number is divisible by 5 or not. It is also carrying 4 marks there. Let's go for it. So let's open the compiler. First we have to go for input. Now let's use if. That's it. That's 10 number. Now let's go with the second question. What is second question? So to find sum of first 10 natural numbers. Yes. So let's go for it. Let's open a new file. Let's run it. So look here, we have got the output. Sum is 55 from 1 to 10. So nothing more we have to do there. We are only asked to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So it's very simple way we can write the programs and we can get a plus easily. So I hope you answered the discussion done today. If any questions you are having, you think that says to discuss here on this platform, let me know. You can use the chat box. You can use uh, Facebook as well. Okay, to get connected to me. Thank you for your time. Again, we'll be tomorrow uh, at same time, but different day, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.